Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Wesley Keller, and it's that time of the year again, folks. It's Christmas. It's that time of the year where we all get to spend like lots of time together with friends and family. Do some like fun activities and open up some presents that our friends or our family members have given to us, and yeah, or maybe see what Santa got for us. Now, apparently, I pretty much got like the most presents ever, like in this house. So, yeah, I'm gonna open them up, but my mom's still sleeping in the other room. So it's gonna wait for her to wake up, and once she does, we'll get to the unboxing of the presents. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the living room.
Sit down there.
All right, let's see what we got.
It's almost like he was saying goodbye. That's what he tells me.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, especially if you've been downtown for a couple months. That's not the issue. Right. I'm kind of starting.
Two tours out there. What'd you buy me something for? I told you not to.
We definitely need to look into.
All right, I'm gonna go up. All right, I'm gonna go from up. All right, I'm gonna go from the top to bottom and see what all I got.
All right.
He is alone.
All right, so let's start with this one first.
He just doesn't talk to people.
Whoa. Now that is what I'm talking about. I got another Godzilla pop figure, baby.
Mm-hmm. Is that different than the one you have?
Yeah, it's different, man. It's different. Burning Godzilla.
Okay.
Now that is awesome.
Is that awesome? You like him?
Yeah, I like it, man.
All right.
Reminds me of Godzilla King of the Monsters. All right, start with this one. All right, let's see what's in here.
Find something on here. Joe, watch.
All right, it's in here. Whoa! We got Black Panther socks, Scooby-Doo, and Godzilla socks.
You don't like them, do you?
Of course I do.
You're filming. I don't think you can see you from here.
Oh,
You know why? 'Cause it's behind Grandma's chair.
oh, crap. Let me move the camera a bit.
Okay. What is it? This camera up.
I think that should be good. All right. All right. By the way, if you guys couldn't see what the presents I got so far, I got Godzilla burning Godzilla pop figure. I got a Godzilla socks. I got two Black Panther socks and Scooby-Doo socks.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo.
Where are you?
Can I put your socks back in there?
Yeah.
How about we do that?
All right, what we got next?
Who's that from?
It's
from
from Grandma.
Does it say Grandma?
It says Mom.
Well, I'm Mom.
Oh, my bad.
She's your grandma.
Yeah. I thought Grandma was your mom.
She is.
All right.
And I'm your mom.
Oh, another red box. What a surprise! See what type of clothing I got in this one. There we go. Wakanda forever. That is a great surprise. What's it? I got Black Panther. Look, I got two Black Panther T-shirts. That is awesome.
Is that a new movie out or what?
Wakanda Forever? Yeah, it is.
We went to see it in the theater.
Yeah, we went to see it in the theaters. Alright, next one. Alright, next one up on the...
Look, I just did all this.
Alright, next one up the list. Alright, next one up is from Mom once again. And I can definitely tell it's another a clothing, a box clothing in it. It's so Alright, let's see what's in this one.
Did I
Hey!
get you that same shirt?
It's a different one.
Is it different?
Yeah, it's a different flannel shirt.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Another flannel.
Yeah, number flannel, baby.
Hot dog. Put it back in there.
Okay. Perfect. Alright, we got yet another one from, you know.
Mom.
Yeah. Ooh, a green one. This is a bit different.
I wrapped all this.
I mean, yeah. Yeah, you did.
2 hours ago.
2 hours ago?
I said a few hours ago.
Oh, a few hours ago. Okay. Well, what could be in this
I
one?
wonder if there's clothes in there.
I wonder if that's the same question, and you're right. There is more clothing in there. We just get like a round of applause for that. Anyone? Thank you.
What? What'd you say?
I said thank you.
Before the round of applause, you were gonna say something.
I wasn't even gonna say anything. I was just like thank you. I said thank you for that.
You're welcome.
All right, next one is from Grandma this time. Okay. I see you. I see you. Oh wow! I wonder if there's more clothing in this box. Cause, well, you know, like tons of these. Well, you know, like tons of boxes like these are like in like different like colors, like red, blue, yellow, green, white, yellow, something like that. Yeah, you guys definitely do know.
I'm sorry. Slacking on my job, aren't I?
Yeah. All right. What we got? All right. We got it's like we got some PJs in there.
How about that? Will
Yeah.
that suit you?
Yeah.
All right.
I guess I will.
Okay.
All right. So that's a one stack completed. Now we're gonna do the other one. So, this one is to me from, well, who else? Mama over here. Alright. Alright. See what we got. Ooh. Hey. Whoa. What is that? Hey. Hey. Now that is definitely what I'm talking about. Black Panther action figure, baby. Heck yeah. Wakanda forever, baby. In loving memory of legendary Chadwick Boseman. Love your films, man. Love your film. Even the second film. That was awesome. Alright, what we got next here? It's from Mom again. What is this? What is this? What is this? Well, it's a game. It's called Hot Seat. That's a new one. Haven't heard of this one before, but apparently, like the back of here says, find out who knows you best. All players answer pretending to be you when you're in the hot seat. What will you say when it's your turn? This is the most hilarious game ever. I ever played. I can't stop laughing. Okay. I see where we're going from here. Alright, so what we got next in here? What we got next in this box? Whoa, hey, another pop figure. That is... So this time it's Nakia from Wakanda Forever. I believe
What's the sister's name? What's the main in Wakanda Forever? Who's the main character?
I believe Nakia is.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I thought so, but I wasn't sure.
Yeah. Alright, last one in it. Alright, last one. Yep. Another clothing box.
There's a way down that. Hey, look, it's white.
Yeah, it's white this time. Alright, it's in here.
Who's in there? Oh.
Ooh, we got Earth on here, and we got ooh, this is pretty rad. Fresh beats and rhymes. Now that is rad, man. That is rad. That is straight out rad. Hey, Mom. More wrapping paper for you.
Check out the Earth t-shirt. I thought it was pretty cool.
Yeah. The Earth t-shirt is really cool.
It's got statistics on there. Let's read the statistics.
Yeah.
I mean, that really is cool.
Age 4.543 billion years. Mass 5.972 times 10. Hypothesis 24 kilograms. Land 29%. Water 71%. Earth
Terra Tellus Gaia, or Gaia, I don't know how to pronounce that.
I think it's guy.
Yeah.
Well, those are pretty cool statistics.
Yeah, they're pretty cool
Look,
statistics.
there's the moon in the background.
Yeah, there's the moon right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, but anyways, thank you guys so much for like giving me these awesome presents.
Well, you're very welcome.
Yeah, thanks, Grandma. It's just a camera.
What's beside the camera?
Beside the camera? Oh, my stocking. Oh, what we got? All right. Oh, okay. Let's see what we got. All right, guys. So now we're gonna take a look what's inside my stocking right here. Since Grandma pointed it out. So first up, we got here is this. Anyways. So what we got here is like a Christmas card right here. I really don't know what's inside this, so go ahead and take a look inside.
Wes, we didn't realize Christmas was going to be on your YouTube channel.
Well, I did like a vlog. I did like a vlog on the on Christmas one time. So yeah, I figured that I would like do like another Christmas video. And yeah, alright, happy holidays. My best wishes at this time of year. Love you, Grandma. Hey, what we got? We got two Google Play gift cards.
Scooby.
I just went full Scooby-Doo mode on this. Alright, what else we got? Whoa! Swedish fish and M&M's. Got some tasty treats going on over here, guys. Got some tasty treats. Alright, what we got? Whoa, Hershey's. Must be getting like tons of great treats in here. What's it? Another Hershey's? What? 4 more. 2 more. Oh my god! I'm in chocolate paradise right now, you guys. I'm in chocolate paradise.
Where's the other one?
Wait, what?
Should be something else. What happened to it? I put it in there.
Well, obviously you didn't. Really, you put it in there? Put it right in there. Is it in one of the others?
Let me check.
No, I put it all in there.
Well, Mom.
Let me check. Let me check.
There it is on the floor. It's cat.
Oh,
What? Oh!
dropped down.
So what is this? Swirl Nido, the groovy glob.
It's a squishy ball.
I see.
You're here. Hang up your stocking.
All right.
I'll open this up.
There we go. There it is. Yeah.
Play with that all day, won't you?
Yeah.
Squishy ball.
Now that is what you call getting all groovy with this nice groovy ball you call like very groovy and all.
It's a fidget ball.
A fidget ball, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I gotcha.
I think the more you play with it, the more it changes colors. Like when it warms up, it changes colors.
Yeah,
That's from me.
I know. I'm just giving it to you.
Oh, thank you.
Alright, so for like a couple for like 2 extras here, I'm gonna show you guys something that Mom got and something Grandma got. So that's 1 extra. The next extra is that I believe there was like some gifts at Chrissy's house that I'm planning on going to. So yeah. So let's see what Mom got. What is it?
What does it look like?
Is it a new TV?
You think I need a new TV, Wes? No, it's a laptop.
A laptop? Don't you already have one? What happened to the old one?
It takes 10 minutes to come up, open, to come up.
Right.
Do you have a knife? Do you have something like it? Mom, is it really what it is?
Yeah.
For crying out loud. Thank you.
I had Chrissy help me pick it out, so hope it's a good one.
Yeah, it does look pretty good, alright.
Because you know me and picking out stuff.
Thank you. Oh, dear Lord in heaven. Wes, go give me a knife.
Oh, yeah, okay, I got you.
Is it as big as your other one? I don't know.
It's fine. What? Yeah, I'm sure it's great.
I think it's 15 inch, I
Here
think.
you go.
Ah!
Oh,
About that.
wow.
She showed me a picture last night, but she just got it done. Yeah.
How about that? That's pretty awesome. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry.
Look at this, you guys.
Let's see it, Wes. There you go.
Yeah.
Pretty awesome.
By the way, if you guys are pretty much unaware, my mom's a nurse. Just so that you guys know.
Well, thank you.
You're very welcome.
Alright, what about you, Grandma?
Okay.
Alright, so this one is to you.
From Stacy and Wes.
Which is yours truly.
And yeah. Oh, don't film me.
Oh.
White diamonds. Very nice.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to smell me whether you want to or not. I love white diamonds. Thank you very much.
Well, you've been wearing what you have upstairs.
And it's pretty old.
And
Man,
it's a little old.
Man, I'm in chocolate heaven right now, you guys. I'm in chocolate heaven. I feel like I'm in chocolate
Put that
heaven.
others away and wear your.
This is
Oh, I'll keep it.
this is crazy, man. This is nuts.
Don't look.
Yeah, you could look.
Oreo cookies. You like Oreos?
Of course I do. But anyways, guys.
Gloves.
Yep. So, apparently it's nighttime right now. The reason why was the case was because, well, I had to, like, go to my dad's house, so that, I can, like, spend some Christmas time with him. But, on top of that, I got some good old stuff from him, Wendy, and the kids as well. Let me turn on the lights so that you guys can see better. Alright, guess that's good. Alright, so we got gloves right here. We got a Lego Mario right here. We got a Luigi set and some Mario enemies. We got a gummy Krabby Patties and Skittles.
What's in here?
Well, first off, because guys, this is something that you guys want to see from go. All right, this right here. Save the date. Wednesday, March 29th, 2023 at 7:30 p.m. And by that I mean it's gonna be the New York Islanders versus the Washington Capitals.
All right.
Yep, you got that right. And you know what that means, baby? That's right. Another vlog coming at ya!
Very good, Wes.
Uh-huh.
Basically, my favorite team is the not Washington Capitals. New York Islanders.
That was close, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. Basically, my dad and Wendy are like huge fans of the Capitals. I don't know. Excuse me. I don't know why, but there's something about them being huge fans of the Capitals that just perplexes me. And not only that, but they like tease me and all. Which I don't have any problems with that. I get it. They like to carry on, but I'm just confused as to like why we're like Caps fans. I mean, I get it. We're like close to Washington and all. Don't get me wrong, but still. Anywho, gonna open up this gift from Chrissy Yesko and see what we got. We got, and we apparently got beard oil.
That's what she said.
Yep. Why am I not surprised? Let's see if there's anything else in here.
Nope, no beard oil.
Nope. That's apparently it. Bet y'all were like, bet y'all thought something else was like coming up. I were like me like getting like a gift card or of like Amazon or Steam or something like that, but no, this is beard oil. That's it. Just beard oil and nothing else.
I'd appreciate if you'd say thank you, Chrissy.
But
Beard oil.
yeah, I was gonna say that. All right.
But
Thanks, Chrissy, for the beard oil though. I appreciate it. I just thought like something else was like gonna come out of here, but I guess that's it. But there you guys have it. That was me opening up my Christmas gifts that my family got for me. I honestly, it was like much like other Christmas days I have. Like it was like, well, holly jolly and all. Like you know how I usually get along with friends and family very well. Well, it's pretty much like the same thing and all. I got a tons of like great treats that I can like munch on, and some other like cool stuff that I personally do got. Hell, I even got like a new character. I possibly got like a new character on the channel, which is Black Panther. How sweet is that? And also, let's not forget that the New York Islanders versus the Washington Capitals block is coming soon on March. But hey, with all that being said, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to Ronnie kick that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new to it. And Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye, guys.